Let's try out these acrylic markers from the ARRTX brand. First, let's start with this satisfying unboxing. Honestly, I love them because they come with a wide range of colors. I'll put the purchase links in the description. Now let's draw Mike Wazowski in 4 different styles. The results will make you say wow, and you'll see Kusho Romin in a whole new way. First, I'll draw him in a metallic style using only ARRTX acrylic markers. He might look factory made, but if you like this, let's stick with the original style. Art may not be valued much, but you can still give me a like if you want. For this style, I also take lights and shadows into account, and I mostly use the color green. Let me know in the comments, which other character would you like me to draw in 4 styles? And we continue with the neon light style. For the neon light style, we just need to color the background black and then do the outlining. We do it with a very vibrant color, surrounding it with a darker color to give it a diffused light effect. The main trick is to use white to give it that shine and that light effect. The next style will surprise you. It's the liquid style, like melted, as if Mike Wazowski were ice cream. I use flat colors for an epic 2D effect in this style. Which style was your favorite? How would you rate me from 1 to 10?